Hi everyone! Today we're going to be making cereal, but before we can get started, we need to wash our hands. Wash the front of our hands, the back, and the and under our nails. All right, so let's talk about what we're gonna need. You need your choice of cereal, milk, a bowl, and a spoon. Let's get started. So we have our bowl in front of us. We're gonna take our cereal. I like Lucky Charms. I'm gonna open it up and start pouring. I'm gonna shake the box. And once you're done, make sure you wrap it up so it doesn't go bad. You can put it to the side. Okay, so we put our cereal in a bowl and I left enough room so that I can add milk. So now we're gonna go do the last step, which is add some milk to our cereal. Okay. You can add as much or as little as you like. And then don't forget to put the cap back on. Okay, so we poured our cereal in our bowl and we added milk. Now all that's left is to grab a spoon and enjoy. And don't forget that once you're done eating, to clean up and also check out the worksheets on Google Classroom. Until next time, bye everyone.